Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a pick out of the box of a couple challenge locks that were sent to me by a username Spetsnaz, I think he pronounced it. He messaged on Reddit seeing if anybody wanted to do a pick out of the box, so I said I would. I want to make sure there's nothing. I put some tape on it already and cut it open, but there's okay, it's just the sheet to go to the challenge lock website so I can put in my feedback on the locks when I'm done. A couple keys and 2 locks. This one's American 5200, the Riddler. Okay, there it is. Nice, that's cool. MLP. It's kind of neat. Nice. And look at this guy, holy smokes, beautiful. Ready, set, go. Yeah, it's a nice one. This is the one I'm going to be picking in this video first. And, oh, what's that say? Pop lock. Have to wait till I get that unlocked before I can see what that says back there. But yeah, great job on the engraving, man. Just beautiful. After I'm done picking these, I'm going to go right to the post office and I'm going to send them off to another Reddit user. I've actually had them for a lot longer than I should have. Where did I put that on? Okay. Alright, so hopefully it's not too difficult to get into. I think I'm just going to use Sparrow's monkey paw and see which pry bars. Good size here. Which pry bar is the best? That one there fits pretty good. Alright, so try going to the right first. I'll get a better angle on that. Is that better? Yeah, it seems better. Just gonna start at the front, work my way to the back. Try not to force anything. That pin felt weird. A lot of crinkling at the back there. Okay, we got a little click out of 3. 2's feeling real crunchy. That's a weird feeling pin. I think it's 2. Getting a little clicks now out of the ones at the back. I have a feeling whatever's going on with 2's the... Okay. That's weird. Okay, I have a little click on 4. Good solid click on 1. Okay, we got a good full set there. I got a little tiny click on 3 and 1, I believe it was, and then 2 was able to. Oh, yeah, 2's moving now, and it doesn't feel as clunky. Okay, that was I think pin 4. There we go. Oh, what's that? Oh, that might just be, yeah, okay, that's just the vise stopping it. All right, so we got an open, not too bad, 7 minutes or so for the video. We'll go back and get the official time there for the Challenge Lock website. So, all right, so we got her open. Okay. Keep this in shot here. Okay. Yeah, that wasn't too bad. There's a couple pins it felt like if I had tried to force my way through it, I might have got an overset on them. Like it was real tough to tell if it was the shape of the pins or if it was actually set. If that makes any sense. Probably not. Okay, we got a key, so I'm going to go ahead and lock this up. And it says Papa Lock. Cool, man, cool. Put that up some. All right. Ready, set, go. Two keys. So look at the bitten. Doesn't look too bad. Good job though, man. I mean, it's a beautiful lock. It picked real well. Turns like a dream. Nice. All right, I think I had another faller out. I don't know if this one will fit. No, I like that one. Okay, we'll use this one. Oh, it's too big too. Jeez. I am rusty as hell. Here we go. All right. I'm just going to dump these out in the tray, and as always, I'll give you a close-up afterwards. Beautiful work on the pins. They look really good. Yeah, this is a really good lock. Very well done, man. All right, let's have a look at these driver pins now. That one there might have been the one giving me some trouble. All right, all just regular steel springs. So there's the key pins there. Just great work on those. Nice serrations. Good and deep. Very well done, man. Much better than some of the pins that I've made. Just the details. Awesome, and the engraving. The detail on the engraving too is very well done. I have a hard time engraving on my locks. They always end up looking pretty messy, so awesome. All right, guys. Well, that's going to be part one. In part two, I'll go ahead and I'll pick open this American 5200. Hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.